channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a summer bracelet. I'm going to be using string, scissors, tape, and beads. So let's get started. First I'm going to get some string and I'm going to measure it on my hand. Place the tape on. Put the bead set over here. Now I have these beads are the most important beads that I'm going to be using. Let's go back to what I'm looking. First I'm going to start with the color yellow. Then I'm going to add like an orangish pinkish color. And we're just going to repeat the same steps. You could sort them before you do. I have small, big, and medium beads. So I'm using the big beads right now. And I'm going to sort the big beads out. You don't have to. That's enough for now. Now let's put the beads over here. Get the yellow one. Put it in. There we go. And then I'm going to add some more color to it. summer. We are halfway through the summer bracelet. Okay, now let's keep going. If you have trouble tying the knot, you could learn from this video, or you could ask a grown-up to help you tie the knot so it doesn't get off. I know how to tie it, so I'll show you how to tie the knot. It's possible if you're trying to do it by yourself, if you do not know how to do it. It's possible for it to break. No, sometimes the string breaks if you had a bad type of string, or if you just tried to do it and then it got unraveled because the beads fell off when you were trying to do it. It happens. Now I'm going to add this right here. Pull on it. Get it off. Do the knot. Tricky is doing the knot. So you bring it in. I'll show you how it is like this without the knot. Now let's tie it on. So you get both, you cross it over, put it in, tight it, cross over there, and then bunny ears. So let's get the bunny ears. Okay. Cross them over, tight it out. Bunny ears, there we go. The bunny ear way has worked. Now I'm gonna tie it again. Okay. Now I am going to cut the extra bits of the bracelet. I snipped them off. Here's the final looks of the summertime bracelet. I am going to show you how to make a ring that matches. But here is the summertime bracelet. If you like it, you might like the ring. So let's start with the ring, and then I'll show you how they end up together. So first I'm going to get the string. This is a little short. Get the string. Then I'll cut it about till here. You do the knot and all that stuff. Okay. And now let's start. For this one, I like to bring the string, and then I like to start with using the small beads so that they don't hurt you when you're doing anything. So let's make good size. So let's show you. I'm just gonna do the same exact colors, do the same exact pattern that I did on the first one. But the only differences about this one is it's smaller, uses different types of beads, and it doesn't say summer on it, which will make it as a set. You could make a necklace to go with it, but I'm going to just do a ring and a bracelet. So let's continue. Put them over together. If you think it's enough beads, you could add less or you could add more, but I'm going to add just a couple more. But before I do, I'm going to check it. So you don't have to really, I'm going to take the tape off, but you don't have to do that. I'm just going to show you. To me, it's too small, so I'm going to add a little more. I'm gonna add the tape back in. You don't have to add tape, but when I am adding tape, it's because so that it doesn't